Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn a little bit more about Forever Living products. My name is Ashley Hauer. I'm our Executive Director of Global Marketing, and I'd like to share with you a little bit today about the Aloe Care Company and some of the opportunities that we provide through our products and our business opportunity. Now, Forever was founded in 1978, and we are headquartered in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're vertically integrated, and what that means, without the marketing speak, is that we really own our own operation all the way through. So the land that the aloe grows in is ours. The people that harvest it by hand are part of our Forever family. We own our own state-of-the-art manufacturing and research and development facilities in Dallas, Texas, and Phoenix, Arizona. And our distribution network in the Netherlands, Forever Direct, ships all of our products to the countries that we do business all over the world. Owning this process and why it's really important is that it allows us to control not only the cost of our product, but ultimately the quality through every single step. So we know what goes into them, we know how they're processed, we know how they're tested. We really can control that process all the way from plant to product to you. We have a long-standing management team. There's over 300 years of leadership experience in our executive team specific to our industry. We operate in over 160 countries, and we've grown for over 40 years. We are a direct selling company, and what that means is that we share our products person to person through personal referral and sales. And we're a proud member of the Direct Selling Association. The Direct Selling Association works specifically in the direct selling industry to help really govern the industry and make sure people are following ethical business practices. Now, one of the questions we get asked a lot is, why aloe? Why are we the Aloe Care Company? And a lot of people know a little bit about aloe and what it can do for your skin or help after a sunburn. But one of the things that a lot of people don't know are the benefits that aloe has for the inside of your body. So aloe supports digestive health, promotes a healthy immune system, supports nutrient absorption, and boosts natural energy levels. What that really means is that it helps to keep your digestive tract clean and helps you really absorb the nutrients and the vitamins from the foods that you eat and the supplements that you take already, so that you can just really make sure you're getting the best out of all of the things that you're putting into your body. So aloe is really great to pair with a healthy diet, supplementation, and really anything that you know is good that you're putting in your body. The effects can really only be amplified when you pair them with aloe vera. Outside, as we mentioned, aloe moisturizes skin, conditions, and soothes. Great for sunburns, really great for overall skin health, which is why we use it in our amazing lines of skincare products as well. Now, Forever does things a tiny bit differently than other companies. So it's not just that we're the world's largest grower and manufacturer of aloe and aloe-based products, although we are, but it's not just the size. It's really how we manage our operation that sets us apart. We hand fillet and hand harvest all of our aloe. So we cut those leaves off completely by hand, not using equipment, to make sure that the plant isn't damaged. And then we fillet it by hand to make sure that only the pure inner leaf aloe vera gel is used in our products, so that that really nutrient-rich product is what you're getting all the way through our production process. We use patented stabilization for our topical products and an aseptic manufacturing process for our drinks that allows our drinks to be preservative-free and up to 99.7% of that pure inner leaf aloe vera gel. We're also certified by the International Aloe Science Council, who ensure purity and potency in aloe vera products. They really help to make sure that the label content is what's in a product. If it's an aloe product, that it has a high quantity of aloe in it, and that we can really make sure that those products are pure and potent. So all aloe products are not created equal, and the International Aloe Science Council really helps to make sure that aloe vera products are governed and that companies that are saying that they have a high content of aloe really in fact do. We have several other certifications, which you can see here. Many of our products are certified kosher and halal. We also have a Leaping Bunny certification, which ensures that all of our products are cruelty-free, all the way through our raw ingredients, all the way to the finished products. None of our products are tested on animals. And we also offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee to all of our customers. In the event that they're not happy with the product, we offer a full refund as well. Let's talk a little bit about the products. We've talked a little bit about the aloe that goes inside and how we own our own manufacturing, but Forever's products really help to span the health and wellness space. from categories including skincare, personal care, weight management, a full line of nutritional supplements, bee products, and essential oils. There are products in our catalog that can really help anyone. I think just based even on the products that are on the screen, we all have shampoo and conditioner in our house. We're all using lotions and soaps and toothpaste. Forever really offers so many amazing daily essentials and then additional specialized products to really help you look better and feel better. Some of my favorite products are our brand new Sonia skincare system, our aloe vera gel. I drink it every single day and I swear by it. It gives me a nice natural boost of energy. I actually mix it with our RG Plus, which is another one of our weight management products that offers a L-arginine boost to really help with energy levels in the body as well. So I like to combine my gel and my RG. But those are just a few of the products that I swear by. There's so many amazing products in our catalog that can really help you look better and feel better, help your family look better and feel better. There really are products for every single lifestyle. Not only are there products for everybody, but there's something at Forever for everybody. So we're more than just a health and wellness company. We do offer the products. If you're just interested in our products, obviously that's an option and that's perfectly fine. There are many people who are engaged with our company who are really just passionate about the products. They're using the products every day. They're customers. If you're looking to make a little bit more money, we also offer the opportunity to join our company and share products. Personal recommendation drives so much of what we already eat and buy and listen to. And if you go to a restaurant and have something that you love, naturally you tell people about it. It's our nature to share good things with other people. And so Forever offers an opportunity to basically build a business off of that social sharing, share the products, earn a little bit of extra money for sharing products that you love with other people. We also offer the opportunity if you're looking for big lasting change in your life, more time, freedom, travel, basically the opportunity to be in business for yourself. If that's something that you're passionate about, Forever does offer, through our generous compensation plan, the ability to earn bonuses, travel globally, unlock incentives, and more to truly change your life. So one of the things we talk about related to our business is, what is your why? What are you hoping to accomplish? And once we kind of understand what's of interest to you, we can start to look at how Forever can help you achieve those goals. So whether it's better health, a new car, some changes in lifestyle, concerns about retirement and making sure that you have enough money, personal development, financial freedom, a family trip or travel around the world. When you know what you're working towards, you can really help to tailor the Forever experience and help you to earn those goals through Forever. One of our generous incentives is called Forever to Drive. Through Forever to Drive, you can earn up to $800 a month towards your dream car. Dream cars aren't for everybody, so that $800 a month doesn't have to be for a new car. It can be for a boat or a vacation or help pay monthly bills or help send your kids to college. The options for that money are truly limitless. We do find that most people enjoy a little bit of a luxury vehicle upgrade, but how you use that money is completely up to you. We have people who use it all kinds of different ways in our business. In addition to other incentives, we provide the ability to travel to luxury destinations all over the world each year through our Global Rally event and also through our Eagle Managers Retreat. Qualifiers get to travel in style, receive airfare, hotel, amazing activities that are really unique to these destinations, spending money, and really just an amazing cultural experience to go somewhere that you maybe couldn't before, all provided by the company. So cultural enrichment, I think, for me, is very much part of this. I've been very fortunate through my position and being engaged with the company that I've been able to visit many different countries in the world, and it's just amazing to see people all over the world, how they live, their cultures, experience different food, and it really is a life-enriching experience, not only just for me, but for my family who have been able to travel with me as well. And if you are looking to make big, lasting change, our cash incentives have huge earning potential, none more than our Chairman's Bonus program. Chairman's Bonus pays back a percentage of the company's earnings every single year to hardworking Forever business owners. In addition to that, I mentioned travel on our last slide. You also get the opportunity to travel to an amazing destination to pick this bonus up. So in the last 2 years, we've been giving away over $25 million each year, in addition to the compensation that people are already earning through our marketing plan. So you might be wondering if it'll work for you. I can't answer that question for you. Only you can decide if something will work for you and choose to make a change. But here are just a few of our forever business owners from the US and Canada who have joined the company and who have seen amazing changes and transformations. They have different backgrounds, educations, work histories, different reasons why they've joined the company, but they do have a desire to make a change, and they do all work very, very hard. And for all of them, Forever has worked. So while we can't say whether or not it will work for you, it works for millions of people around the world and really rewards you for the hard work that you're willing to put in. So you've learned a little bit about our products and our company. You might be wondering what comes next. Whether you're looking for a little bit of better health and experiencing the benefits of our products, to make a little bit of extra spending money, or looking for an opportunity to really transform your life, Forever can have exactly what you need depending on your goals. So if you're interested in trying the products yourself, I encourage you to contact a Forever business owner and try out some of their favorite products, learn a little bit more about the company. If you're interested in sharing some of the products or would like to learn a little bit more about how to be a Forever business owner, follow up with the person who shared this video with you to learn how our Forever opportunity can help you change your life. Thank you so much, and good luck.